Welcome to this simple sequence practice. This simple sequence consists of 5 poses: tabletop, side split, balancing table, revolved low lunge, and half split. We're going to start seated in a comfortable position to simply get connected to our breath. So rest your hands wherever you like, on your knees, on the mat. Close your eyes. Take a deep inhale through the nose and a very slow exhale through the mouth. 2 more times. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth, allowing the body to relax. 1 more time. Inhale through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. Open your eyes and slowly transition into tabletop position on all fours. With your tabletop position, you want to have your wrists aligned with your shoulders, knees aligned with the hips, about 2 fists apart between the knees. The feet are flat. The crown points forward with your eyes toward the mat. Tabletop, we're going to engage our back and our core muscles, just making sure we feel engaged in our body, comfortable in the position. And we're going to transition into side splits, starting with the left leg. So bring your left leg out to the side. Do your best to bring the sole of your foot completely flat down to the floor. Once you feel as comfortable as you can in this position, tuck the toes of your right foot. This is actually optional. Some people choose not to tuck their toes. I choose to because it helps me with my balance. Then gently push your bottom toward your heel until you feel a stretch in your inner thigh. The goal here is not to just sit on the heel. Your goal, again, is to just push your bottom back until you feel a stretch. For some people who are very tight in the thigh and in the groin, it won't take that much pushing. For other people who are a little loose, you might need to bring your foot closer to the front of your mat to feel a stretch. And some people might not feel a stretch at all, and that's okay. All right? We're going to hold your stretch for 3 rounds of breath, so make sure you feel comfortable. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Slowly ease up. Resituate your balance. Going to bring that left leg back, and we're going to lift it and keep it lifted as we engage in balancing table. So make sure you feel stable on your hands and on your one knee. Lift that left leg, engage, and hold it pushing back. Push the heel out, flex the toes forward. Once you feel comfortable, you're going to lift up your opposite arm. So we have our left leg up, lift up the right arm, reach forward. Holding here, 3 rounds of breath. Inhale, exhale 1, engage. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Bring that right arm down, and if you need to, go ahead and bring the left leg down as well. If you're able to, keep the left leg up and slowly bring it forward so we can transition into our low lunge. Bring the left leg forward. Get comfortable first. You can release the toes of the back foot, or you can keep the toes tucked if you wish. Then gently shift your body forward, bringing the knee aligned over the ankle, getting a stretch in the right thigh. Hands can stay to the mat, foot flat or toes tucked, whichever you prefer. And we're going to come into our revolved low lunge. So bring your right palm fully down onto the mat. On our next breath, we're going to bring our left arm up and open our chest to the left side toward our knee. So inhale, bring that arm up, open the chest, twisting over to that knee. Exhale, 2 more breaths. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Bring the arm down. Tuck the toes if you had them flat as we shift into our half split. So once again, push your bottom toward your heel. Extend the heel of the left leg, ground it and push it out. Flex the toes toward your face and gently lower yourself until you feel the stretch in the back of the left leg. You're going to feel it in the calf and the hamstring. Holding there, once again, 3 rounds of breath. Inhale, exhale 1, inhale, exhale 2, inhale, exhale 3. I'm going to slowly come off of the stretch. Bring the hands down, bring the leg out, returning to tabletop, and optional child's pose here if you wish, legs open or closed, just for 1 breath. Inhale and exhale. Return to tabletop, preparing for the opposite side. Reshift the knees, wrists align with the shoulders, knees align with the hips, feet are flat. Bring your right foot out to the side, the sole of the foot flat onto the floor as best you can. Tuck the toes of the left foot if you wish. Gently push your bottom toward your heel again until you feel the stretch into that inner thigh. Holding 3 rounds of breath. Inhale. Exhale 1. Inhale. Exhale 2. Inhale. Exhale 3. Slowly come up. Redistributing your weight, feeling stable in the palms. Shifting into balancing tabletop. So lift that right leg, bring it out and back. Push that heel out. Lift the left arm, reach forward. 3 rounds of breath here. Inhale. Exhale 1. Inhale. Exhale 2. Inhale. Exhale 3. Bring that left arm down. And if you can, keep engaging that right leg. Bring it around to the front. Walk that foot on if you need to. And shift forward into your low lunge. Bring that knee aligned with the ankle. Flatten the toes of the back foot if you wish, or keep them tucked. Preparing for our revolved low lunge. Make sure that left hand is firm on the mat. Next breath, inhale. Right arm comes up. Open the chest toward the right. Exhale 1. 2 more breaths. Inhale. Exhale 2. Inhale. Exhale 3. Bring the arm down. It can be inside or outside the leg. Slowly shift the weight back once again. Option to tuck the toes. Press the heel out, toes in for our half split. Slowly lower yourself until you feel the stretch in the back of the leg. Hold it there. 3 rounds of breath. Inhale. Exhale 1. Inhale. Exhale 2. Inhale. Exhale 3. Slowly come up. Bring the arm in if it was on the outside. Bring the leg back around to our tabletop. Optional child's pose. Open knees. 1 breath here. Inhale. And exhale. Take an extra breath if you want. While I go ahead and shift into tabletop. So our first round, we did not use any blocks. But as you can see, I have 2 blocks here. If you have your blocks available with you, this time you have the option to use your blocks. Come up a little bit on the mat. Preparing for our second round. So tabletop, back is straight, core engaged. Left leg comes out to the side. Tuck the toes of that opposite foot if you wish. Gently push the bottom toward the heels. Here, you can use your blocks if you wish for better balance and stability. While you're trying to push your bottom back, you also have an option to come down onto your forearms if that is within your capability. If not, don't force it. 3 rounds of breath. Inhale. Exhale 1. Inhale. Exhale 2. Inhale. Exhale 3. Slowly take the pressure off. Come up. Resituate yourself. Make sure you feel grounded and balanced. While we engage that left leg, bring it back. Lifted, heel out, toes in, lifting the opposite arm. Right arm comes up. 3 rounds of breath. Inhale. Exhale 1. Inhale. Exhale 2. Inhale. Exhale 3. Bring that arm down. Shift the leg forward as we come into our low lunge. Once again, walk that foot onto the mat. Shift the weight forward. Shift the body forward. Stretching that right thigh. Back foot can come down flat. Again, you can use a block here to extend your reach or to have some support, depending on how you wish to adjust for your revolved low lunge. Whatever you prefer, play around with it first. Then when you're ready, or actually when I'm ready, because I'm going to keep going. My right hand is down, preparing to lift my left arm. Inhale, left arm comes up, open the chest. Exhale 1. Inhale. Exhale 2. Inhale. Exhale 3. Bring that arm down, inside or outside. Adjust the back toes as we shift our weight back. And once more, use the blocks for balance here if you need to. Push that front heel out. Lower yourself to get a stretch in the back of the leg. 3 rounds of breath. Inhale. Exhale 1. Inhale. Exhale 2. Inhale. Exhale 3. Slowly take the pressure off. Release your blocks if you use them. Resituate yourself. Bring that left leg back. Optional child's pose. Reconnecting to breath here. Inhale and exhale. Slowly return to tabletop. One more time on the opposite side. You're doing awesome, I'm sure. All right, resituate yourself. Feel good, balanced, and stable in your tabletop. Right leg comes out to the side. Remember, if you need a deeper stretch, bring that foot forward a little bit more if you need to. Tuck the toes, optional. Use your blocks or come down onto your forearms, whichever you prefer. I'm going to use my blocks this time. Pushing the weight back until you feel the stretch. And now I feel that my blocks are not assisting me, so I'm going to move those out the way. 3 rounds of breath. Inhale. Exhale 1. Inhale. Exhale 2. Inhale. Exhale 3. Slowly come up. Take the pressure off of the leg. Reposition for balancing table. Engage that right leg. Bring it up and out. Pushing back, heel out, toes in. Lifting the left arm. 3 rounds of breath. Inhale. Exhale 1. Inhale. Exhale 2. Inhale. Exhale 3. Arm comes down, leg comes forward for low lunge. Shifting the weight forward, knee aligned over the ankle. I'm going to flatten my toes in the back. Preparing for a revolved low lunge. Left arm is stable. Inhale, right arm up. Opening the chest, exhale. Inhale. Exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Come down, shift the weight back, tuck the toes, extend the right leg forward, half split, heel out, toes in. Option to use your blocks. Lowering the weight until you feel a stretch. 3 rounds of breath. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale. Exhale 3. Slowly release the stretch. Bring the arm in if it was out. Bring the leg back. Last child's pose rest. 3 rounds of breath here. Inhale. Exhale 1. Really stretch out those arms. Allow yourself to sink. Inhale. Exhale 2. Drop the head to the mat. Inhale. Exhale, 3. Slowly come up. And transition into your comfortable seated position. All right. That was our simple sequence with tabletop, side split, balancing table, revolve low lunge, and half split. We did 2 rounds on one side each. So make sure you take your time. Feel free to continue to practice. Repeat that practice as many times as you wish, or as few as you wish. If you're done now, that's okay too. Enjoy, and namaste and ashe.